What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing a New Balance 9060 Pink and Lavender. Let's get into it. First, starting out with the box, as we all know, New Balance doesn't do too much with their boxes. So we got the normal gray New Balance box with the silver NB on the top. You got your NB on this side, then you got your New Balance on this side. But then we're gonna get to the front of the box, and it reads 9060. And for the colorway, it says pink and gray, and then men's size 6. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, nothing spectacular going on with the inside. You got that normal New Balance tissue paper on the inside that's cream and gray. And that's pretty much it for the box. You got your stamp of approval right there on top of the box. Also, that's it. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the New Balance 9060 Pink and Gray. Alright, starting off by saying these are nice. I really like this colorway. Loving this pink and this lavender they got going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. I see that these came out on DTLR today. I don't know if it was just a DTLR exclusive because I really haven't seen them anywhere else, but I knew that they dropped specifically on DTLR today. I think it might have dropped in a couple more spots. Not too sure about it. Y'all let me know down in the comment below if you know, but overall this is a very nice clean 9060. We have been getting a lot of 9060 colorways as of yet, and this colorway is one that really struck when I seen it. I was like, man, I gotta get those. I like a lot of the colors, but there's been so many of them coming out. But this colorway right here, these right here were the ones. So definitely had to pick these up. Nice pink and, like I said, lavender colorway. Nice winter fallish color. Just nice, clean, nice. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. Like I said before, you got this nice pink and it's like a hairy suede. So if you look close, you got that nice hairy suede pink going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. Top of the toe right here, you got this gray mesh material right here on top of the toe with that nice little end right there on the top of the toe. Also, still got these hints of this lavender and then like the I would say like not a suede, well like a nubuck material right here on top of the toe, and this nice leather material right here, and that nice purple, not leather, nubuck material. Coming to the side, you got the end right here, stitches in this white lavender colorway. Still got that pink hairy suede going throughout the whole side of the shoe. Also, coming to the back of the shoe, you got the NB right there in the back of the heel of the shoe, and that purple lavender color on top of the heel, also with that nice nubuck material. You got this normal little hook that we get on every 9060 right here in the back. Pink hairy suede still going throughout the back of the heel. Also, inside the shoe, you just got your New Balance and running on the inside of the shoe right there. This side of the shoe, you got another end right here on the side. It's more out. It's like a embossed end that's just in with the pink, and then the outline of the white and the gray on this side of the shoe. Also, right here, you got these little pods that come on every 9060 in this like pale pinkish colorway, which is very nice. And you still outline with that like a off-white cream colorway also on the side of the midsole. We got that absorb on the bottom of the midsole also, so we know it's very cushiony, and they are very comfy. Like I said, love 9060s, love all the colorways. It's a very bulky shoe, but it's a very comfortable shoe. So if you love bulky shoes or shoes that just look different, these are the ones to go for, especially if you just not getting into New Balance and you want to decide on which style to go with. Definitely say try the 9060s, but these are too bulky for the youth. And of course, go ahead with the 990 line, and you can't go wrong from there. 990, 993. All of them have pretty nice colorways out right now. You can pretty much find any color you need to go with anything you want to wear. So New Balance, like I said, as of late, has been doing their thing. Very clean shoe. You still got these nice cream shoelaces. Fortunately, we didn't get any extra laces. I just knew we probably would have got at least a lavender purple pair to throw in here, but we didn't. Gave us the cream, which I ain't mad at it because I'm definitely gonna keep these creams in here. But I could have seen them with a little nice purple colorway shoelace. Also, y'all let me know what you think about it. If it would have had some purple laces, that would have been perfect also. But it's not nothing to be mad about. You got the cream laces in there. Top of the tongue right there, you got that 9060. That's all on every 9060 right there on top with that NB. Flip it to the bottom right here, you got that New Balance on the bottom of the shoe with those little pods and that lavender colorway. And that's pretty much it for this shoe. Just a very nice, clean colorway. Like I said, they said it just released today on DTLR. So like I said, I'm not sure if it's just a DTLR exclusive, but that is what these dropped today. That's why I picked mine up from DTLR. They retail for $160. That's pretty much the normal price for every 960 that we're getting. So that's just a norm these days. All shoes are high. So if you want them, get ready to be able to pay it high, or go to resale. You might find something for under resale these days where the market's going. Overall, this was clean. This was the left shoe. Right shoe looks the same as that way. You got that nice pink hairy suede going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. Hints of that nice gray mesh material also on top going throughout the shoe. Also, you got a nice dark gray sock liner right here on the side. New Balance on the inside with those nice cream off-white laces. And no extra laces like I said before. And you still got the normal midsole with that bulky midsole and that absorb energy with the insole. And then you got that bottom New Balance with those purple pods on the bottom of the shoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these. Was these a cop for you or a drop? Did you even know they was coming out? Because I just happened to run up on these. I really didn't know they was coming out today. Just happened to be strolling through and seeing somebody posted them. I think it was Petta's Dope. He posted these on his Instagram, and I was like, man, those are nice. Let me check it out. And he had linked it to the DTLR, and hey, that's how I knew they was coming out today. But other than that, probably wouldn't have knew they was coming out. Probably would have went under the radar for most people, because if you don't, they wasn't really broadcast as much as a lot of shoes have been these days. So if you want them though, they're at your local DTLR. You should be able to walk in there and pick them up. They do come in men's sizes and GS sizes. And it was another pair that also came out. It was a gray pair. Those was very nice, but I have a bunch of gray shoes, so I didn't need them. But it was a nice gray upper with that same hairy suede going throughout the upper with those same cream laces. So if you don't want a pink colorway and you think you want to just get another colorway that's a very nice neutral tone, I would say go for that neutral gray colorway that they got out. That came out with these also today. I guess it was just like a collab. I don't even know if it's a collab, so I'm not even gonna say that. It just was released on DTLR today. So that's all pretty much I got for y'all. This was the New Balance 9060. The box says pink and gray, but I'm going with pink and purple, so because that's what's mostly the colorway of the shoe. So that's all I got for y'all. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Would you go for them or would you pass on them? Y'all let me know. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.